Today let's make chicken haleem. Haleem is prepared for iftar. It is very filling and an excellent source of protein. Haleem is traditionally made with beef or mutton and it tastes best that way. But chicken haleem can be great if you wish to avoid meat. So let's see how to make it. Combine all lentils and grains like 150 grams whole wheat or broken wheat, 2 tablespoon chana dal, 2 tablespoon moong dal, 2 tablespoon mashki dal, 2 tablespoon basmati rice. You can also add 2 tablespoon barley or 2 tablespoon masoor ki dal and wash by changing water twice. Now soak this for 3 hours or overnight. Next step is to marinate the chicken pieces. In a bowl, add 1 kg chicken with bones or boneless, it's up to you. You can use boneless too. Goes in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 cup curd. Give this a very nice mix. And now I'm going to marinate this for an hour. Next I'm going to add soaked wheat and lentils in a non-stick pan or heavy bottom pan or in a pressure cooker. Goes in half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 cups of water. And I'm going to cook this for 45 minutes till wheat and lentils become soft and mushy. Now add 200 grams ghee in a pan. Goes in 1 inch cinnamon, 2 cloves and 3 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon shahi zeera. Add 3 sliced onions. Saute till it becomes translucent or brown. And to this I'm adding marinated chicken. Fry this for a minute. And now add handful of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, 3 green chilies. Goes in half teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. And I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And now close the lid and cook till chicken becomes tender. And now you can see wheat and lentils mixture is ready to blend. Now switch off the flame and bring it to a room temperature and then blend it nicely. You can use blender or hand mixer to blend the wheat and lentil mixture. Once done, set this aside. Next step is to remove excess ghee from the cooked chicken and keep aside. And now remove chicken from the gravy and let it cool. And next I'm going to add wheat and lentil mixture to the chicken gravy and mix well. Remove bones and shred the chicken nicely and keep aside. And now add 1 tablespoon Haleem spice mix. Many of us prefer using ready-made spice mix or homemade. So it's up to you what you prefer, ready-made or homemade. Now give this a very nice mix. And to this I'm adding shredded chicken. Next step is to mash it with wooden tool for a long time until everything is combined till haleem gets a sticky texture. Now add 1 cup fried onions, 1/4 cup ghee, some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give this a very nice mix. And now slow cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Once done, transfer Haleem on a serving plate. Pour leftover ghee on top. Garnish with some fried onions and some freshly chopped coriander leaves and ginger. Top up with lemon wedges and serve immediately. Haleem is a freezer-friendly food and can be freezer for a month. To serve, defrost and reheat completely, then serve Haleem in a bowl and garnish, then add some oil tadka for best taste. Give a big thumbs up below if you like this recipe and follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.